John Carpenter's second film was a quasi-remake of Howard Hawks' Rio Bravo, where three vastly outnumbered men hold off a heavily armed gang attempting to free one of their own from the besieged jailhouse.
Those guns are out there, and believe me, if the people who have them get organized, no one will stand a chance.
Move the action to a Los Angeles ghetto in the 1970s, change the gender makeup of the trio of defenders, throw in a few plot alterations, and one of the most shocking scenes ever filmed, which I won't show here to avoid spoilers, and you have the makings of a perennial cult classic.
This is Napoleon Wilson.
Got a smoke? Close the door. I want you to know something, Wilson. Now, I don't enjoy driving anybody to death row. You try anything. Anything. I've got 2 guards with shotguns, and I'll blow you apart.
Sure could use a smoke.
Do you understand me, Wilson?
You mumble a little bit. I get the general idea.
Isn't that overdoing it a little?
Napoleon Wilson.
No kidding.
Got a smoke?
No. Sorry.
Well, you see one floating around. Snag it for me, will you?
The criminal anti-hero who walks his own solitary path is a character that shows up in many of Carpenter's films. Usually forced by circumstance to join the forces of law and order, he is still able to maintain his contempt for conventional society through to the end and on to an implied beyond.
I have to admit it, Wilson. You do have some fancy moves for a man in leg irons.
Now what?
Power failure?
The streetlights are still on.
I'll call Ellendale on the 2-way in my car.
You're not gonna let us sit in here. At least take these cuffs off. Hey! Hey!
This hail of gunfire scene, one of the most unique ever done, which remains comparatively quiet due to the gang's use of silencers, is a good example of the choices that made this low-budget, under-the-radar movie so memorable. Made 2 years before his next film and what would be his breakout production, Halloween, Assault on Precinct 13 shows Carpenter's quick growth as a filmmaker. His first feature film, Dark Star, was essentially an expanded student film and served as a calling card that led to Assault on Precinct 13, which served as a calling card leading to Halloween, which remained for decades the most profitable movie in relation to budget ever made.
Anybody got a smoke?
Hey everybody, this is Tom at Flixin5. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and hit the subscribe button, please. Also, leave a comment and let us know what you think.